Hey Sarah, how are you? I hope all is well. I don't know if you remember me. We completed our bachelor's program together, Fresno Pacific. Um, I was shocked to find out that um, autism and ADHD might not qualify you for special education services because autism. I mean, I know it's a disability. And I just automatically thought that if a student was diagnosed with autism, he might most likely be placed in a special education classroom, especially because my nephew, he got diagnosed with ADHD and he got placed in a special education classroom. And he is very active, but I know my cousin, she's upset and doesn't agree. So she's trying to get him diagnosed and get him reassessed so he can go back into gen ed. So this week's readings and information I definitely want to share with her. So maybe she can get better understanding, more knowledge, and help her situation with her son. But thank you for your post and have a good night.